How to use two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then search apps, which is parallel apps. And then click on parallel apps. After you've done that, you'll find WhatsApp. Simply turn on WhatsApp. After you've done that, your WhatsApp will be two. Simply open one WhatsApp business account in one WhatsApp, and another you can open another business account, which is simply in only one phone. And this is how to use two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.